Hello everyone, my name is Nisha Jain. I am the Faculty of Computer Science in S.H. Jain Subodh PG Mahila Mahavidyalaya. Today we cover a various topic of computer network like data communication, component of computer network, uses of computer network and the feature of computer network. In this session, we take every topic one by one and discuss in detail and understand the working of them. My first topic is data communication. So what is data communication? In simply we can say when devices are shared data with each other is called data communication. In this figure, two devices are share data with each other, so it is called data communication. In data communication, your device may be laptop, desktop, notepad, mobile, printer, etc. And you can share data like file, image, folder, audio, video, etc. So we can say data communication refer to the transmission of this digital data between two or more computers. Now the question is arises how two devices are shared these data. The solution of this problem is computer network. So what is computer network? Here two devices are showing. When we connect these devices by a link is called computer network. In this figure, these computers are called node. Device are used in the network is called node. And link which are connected to devices are called communication channel. These links may be wired or wireless. So we can say a computer network is a set of devices connected through links. A node can be computer, printer or any other device are capable of sending and receiving the data. The link connecting the nodes are known as communication channel. So, what is the benefit of creating the network? Now understanding this through an example. In this figure, there are three persons using separate printers, and in the figure 2 there are three persons share a single printer. These images are clearly shows the benefit of creating network. First, save money. In figure 1 require three printers and figure 2 clearly show through the using of network we need only one printer. Second benefit is save space. Because of three printers take more space in figure 1 compared to figure 2. Now the third benefit of computer network is proper utilization of resources. Suppose these people required printer only for 1 hour, and in figure 2 single printer works more than 2 times as compared to figure 1. Printer, that is mean they utilize resources in figure 2. Share data. And the most important point of computer network is they also share data with each other. Thank you. We will continue the next topic in the next session. Thank you.